Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Now I would like to present for the final year project 1, that is development of microcontroller based vehicle distancing assistance system. My name is Muhammad Haniff bin Amdan, DE180164. My supervisor is ENCIK Muhammad FADZLI bin Abdul SHAIB. For the project background, car is one of the most important mode of transport and sustainable transport system that provides shelter from all weather conditions, which is why it's such a popular mode of transportation. As the number of cars on the road increase, so does the probability of an accident increase. One of the cause of accident is fail to maintain a safe gap between car in front of you. WHO estimate that the number of fatalities due to accident to be approximately 1.24 million, and also data show that Malaysia has highest in the world estimate for traffic fatalities rate in 2013, and also 6,674 road deaths in 2014. The system will identify an object or obstacle as well as a vehicle to see if the distance between the driver automobile and impediment in front of it is sufficient for safe driving. For problem statement, the most common traffic accidents are caused by rear-end collisions caused by not maintaining a safe distance or following too closely. Failure to maintain safety distance to appropriate space between vehicles. Next, to prevent the vehicle speed and embedded for distant helper. For the objective, to detect object vehicle and calculate its distance by using ultrasonic sensor. To read the current speeds of vehicle that system mounted. To develop an embedded system for vehicle distance assistance system. To calculate the suggested safe speed and distance for vehicle distancing. Scope of the project, the system is targeted for driver to give them awareness when the flowing distance is too close by using prototype. The system will calculate the distance of amount of the front vehicle and the current vehicle by vehicle speed by detecting using ultrasonic sensor and tachometer, which deliver to microcontroller Arduino Uno as calculating unit. The analysis is aiming on moving forward movement. This is for the literature review for the author with the Berlin Ravello et al. Microcontroller ultrasonic method. This paper discuss the use of type of ultrasonic sensor and the approach for automotive prototype to compare to real vehicle application. The result of the trial led to the selection of the HCSR04 range sensor from among three distinct type of ultrasonic sensor. Next, chain and one microcontroller algorithm for vehicle safety distance calculating between moving car. To calculate the safe distance of moving car, the system are included with parameters such as vehicle speed and the distance between two moving vehicles, which is one in front and at the back of the other. For the output from experiment calculation, it need to consider human decision making process from consciousness to obtain the essential safe distance. Aliu et al. That ultrasonic sensor used to ultrasonic sensor that mounted in front and rear vehicle which detect obstacle and its distance. The automobile will perform safe position using the braking system to decelerate the automobile until stoppage after detecting obstacle from the ultrasonic sensor. For the method, this project use Arduino Uno as controller to control all the component. The development of this project is divided into the two development, which are the development of hardware and software. Next, development of hardware involves the component that need to be used in the prototype, which are the sensor, car chassis, and the output component, LED and LCD display. The last one, in software development, the necessary component to use in the prototype is simulated in Proteus software to avoid any false installation in hardware simulation. This is for project flowchart. That is, start learning about ultrasonic sensor, design microcontroller circuit, writing source code, compiling source code using Arduino software and upload to the Arduino board. Run if not successful, will repair source code. If successful, modify the system to meet desired requirement. If okay, then complete. For the project block diagram, start hardware code development, searching components, circuit connection, and next software simulation in Proteus, circuit design in Proteus, coding in Arduino, compile the program, test if fail, modify the program, upload program in Arduino board, simulation is fail, modify. If success, combine circuit with program, test. If fail, troubleshoot. If success, and end. This is for the project design that the Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, speed sensor module to DC motor, potentiometer, LCD display, LED and buzzer. For the result and discussion, Arduino will send data to the LCD and LCD will display distant axis PSM 2022 to indicate the system is ready. LCD also display the speed RPM and distance in cm. It's typically conditioned. When speed was detected the module by using encoder, LCD display the number of speed by the motor. If speed more than 6, the buzzer will sound loudly and LED red will on. For the hardware presentation, I will show the video for the hardware. Ini adalah sistem distance assistance sistem PSM 2022. Bacaan yang ditunjukkan RPM kosong dan jarak pun kosong. Apabila distance speed module ada putaran melalui kawasan speed module, bacaan untuk RPM akan meningkat. Apabila nanti mulai, kita dapat tengok RPM dia satu berkelajuan dan bila tiada kosong. Apabila mencapai satu tahap RPM melebihi 5, maka buzzer akan berbunyi menandakan kelajuan melebihi kelajuan yang dikehendaki. Dan apabila jarak melebihi 10 1 hingga 2 cm dia akan berbunyi. Sekian, terima kasih. Untuk kesimpulan. First goal was accomplished as a result of experiment in which the vehicle was able to detect and distance can be calculated using ultrasonic sensor. Second goal is to read the current speed of the vehicle that system mounted. This technique work because the RPM increase on the speed module, touch and spin encoder. Third goal, which was to develop an embedded system for a vehicle. This test system was accomplished by conducting many tests on it, and the buzzer able to produce sound with when the vehicle detect any object at the certain distance. The overall success of this project can be determined because most of the objectives have been met except for the safe speed distance of vehicle as accurate calculation has not been made. That's all from me. Thank you.